Here's a fun and festive way to give out your Halloween treats this year. These brightly colored treat holders are modeled after British Christmas crackers, and they're such a unique twist on the traditional treat bag. You can fill them with little goodies, candy, and surprises, and then decorate them to your heart's content. They're quick, easy, and totally customizable, so let's get started. For this project, you'll need just a few simple items. Grab some paper towel rolls that you can cut down to size, or if you have toilet paper rolls, those work perfectly too. You'll also need candy, of course, and little surprises like spider rings or small toys. To tie them off, you can use twine, ribbon, or baker's twine. And of course, you'll need crepe paper or crepe paper streamers, which you can easily find at Dollar Tree. Now let's get to making them. Start by laying out a sheet of crepe paper. Place your paper towel roll in the center and fill it with as much candy and fun goodies as it can hold. Once you're happy with what's inside, you're going to tape one end of the crepe paper to the roll and begin rolling it up tightly. When you reach the end, I like to use double-sided tape to keep the adhesive hidden for a clean look. Twist each end of the roll and tie it off with your twine or ribbon. This will give it that signature cracker shape. To add some extra flair, I used a few spider rings from Dollar Tree as little decorations on the outside. You can also snip the ends of the crepe paper into thin strips to create a fun fringed edge. If you want to get even more creative, decorate the outside of your treat crackers with stickers. You can find those stickers at Dollar Tree as well, stamps, letter stamps, or Halloween-themed washi tape. Make it your own. When it's time to open them, just grab a friend and pull from both ends, just like the traditional Christmas crackers. These are so fun to make and even more fun to give out. I hope you enjoyed this really quick and easy Halloween DIY. Let me know in the comments if you're making any special treat bags or goodies for your trick-or-treaters this year. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative, budget-friendly crafting ideas. Have a happy and safe Halloween, and until next time, bye friends.